the same when she give me the box. Look at the chain and my ice and my watch. Copy off the gram all the things that I rock. Baby, I'm the man and your nigga a Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I got a hangnail hanging from my cuticle. A hangnail. And it ain't beautiful.
It ain't beautiful, nigga.
And it hurt like a bitch that I fucked last night.
You gonna stop, bitch? I was gigging. Damn, I do got hella drinks in there. Oh, so you decided to get out the bed with your crybaby ass.
Nah, that shit was trash. Everything about it was trash.
I mean, put this code in.
I only went for Optimus just because, you know, he ain't gonna be back.
Alright, I'm ready.
It's P as in penis.
What?
W as in woman.
Wumbo.
W as in wumbo. 8. 9 as in Negro. And R as in
Wait.
Whoa,
rapper.
he said 9 as in Negro.
9?
9?
I said 9 or did I say N?
Oh God, you
said
said 9.
9 as bro. Ain't no
Oh,
way.
damn. I'm eating
Yeah, I'm
breakfast.
not streaming. Y'all tripping.
No, we ain't gonna say none of that.
So
I
PWW8N and what else?
I mean, if I'm keeping it G, we can say Negro.
We could definitely say Negro and nigga.
Oh, he definitely can.
Hold on, what's the last vegetable?
Because I know Negro was over there talking about. Now listen here, Negro.
Bro, what is the last letter?
R as in robber.
I'm about to rob you, Frost. Where your pet at?
Why you pick that word, bro?
I don't know, bro.
I don't know how I feel about that. Shut up, Oville.
You, buddy. You know that. You know you the best wife in the world with the best kitty cat. My bad.
Start the fucking game.
Start the match.
Why you feel like that? Start the match. Get your tray.
He needs some milk.
Oh shit.
The foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search is like time now. Around Earth, please. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out. Lower me, cousin. Box right over here. What is wrong with you?
Who's next to me? Who's this damn girl that just tied up with me?
I am nowhere near anybody right now.
I'm Leland.
Please leave somewhere.
Is his chainsaw running, or did he turn it off? I hear it. Oh shit. Bro, he's coming to get me. Bro, he's coming to get me. Bro, he's gonna come and get me. I see Martin. I'm right behind Martin.
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this. Locks, maybe?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I feel like he's coming over here, bro?
So, what do we have here? Yes, I can use that.
I see you, Martin. I'm about to get another pick tool. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's right there. She's right there.
Died. I don't know. I don't know. Are they really gone?
Yeah, you ugly,
Bro,
bro.
I'm so scared. Bro, I'm so scared right now.
It's okay, bro.
Like,
I'm
this
with
is
you.
not a joke. I just want to get another tool. Just let me get another tool.
Oh, toodles.
Alright. I got my second tool.
I need to be careful.
We all need 2 tools.
Near.
Nah. I just get a second one just in case something goes wrong. And like,
Mr. Bubble
one
Bum,
of, if one of us start getting chased, the other one can unlock the door
Alright, so
while the other one keep them busy.
Bro, Frost, you seen this dude that was right here when I
Bro.
opened it, right?
Yeah. I think it was Sissy.
So V's, nah, it was the Johnny dude. V's, bro, I need you to when I open this door, I need you to run up just in case he there, so you can tackle him and like
Oh
get him out
yeah,
of the way.
tackle the fuck out of him.
Where you
Because we
at?
don't got that ability. Right here.
We getting ready to go up this
And
So I'm
when we
going
open
first?
this door, they all gonna know.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you go first. And don't forget, like, you got your special moves. I don't know what button it is on controller, but
Yeah, I got
it's
it.
that big, hit the dude. If he pop up, truck stick him. Like, get him out
Like
the way.
he gonna be up the stairs probably.
Yeah,
And
when we
he's
open
gonna
this door, he
probably
might
come
run over
over
there.
to
All right,
us
all right,
as
all right.
soon
Let
as
me
you
talk to
open
y'all
that.
niggas. Are y'all ready for this?
All
Bro,
right,
open the damn
Y'all
door
ready?
before Leatherface come over here.
Y'all ready?
All right.
All right.
Yeah, we ready, baby.
Alright, let's go.
Run,
Oh
run.
hell nah.
Where we going? Where we
He
going?
didn't do it. He didn't pull up.
Are you playing your
Probably just ain't had enough time. Fuck, which way are we?
You my friends?
Shit, we on the wrong side.
No, we ain't.
Dad?
I'm about to just open this up. I kind of want this for if I gotta run away from somebody.
Shit.
You
Hold
my
still.
friends?
Oh man, he running from somebody. Like, go to your room, both of y'all. Get your ass out of there. Stop putting your hand in there.
Oh crap. Grandpa's over there, like right in front of us.
That's why I'm glad I didn't do it. But it's a dude already in here, so it might be smoking.
What is the point of the bone scrap?
Stay calm.
That's to cut down them little bones that be hanging, or you can stab Grandpa ass.
Oh shit.
See, they in here. They in this motherfucker. Sure.
Oh yeah, I see the
They
shit
chasing
moving.
that other dude in there.
Oh my god, bro. If they open this door while I'm trying to unlock it, we're fucked. It's unlocked.
Wait a minute,
but I'm
wait a
scared to
minute.
open that bitch.
Oh!
I was gonna tackle the fuck out this nigga. I swear to God, I was ready.
Bro.
Yeah, right.
Bro. It scared the shit out of
I don't even know if you can hear me, bro, but
Bro,
you scared the
Hitchhiker
shit out
just
of
came
us.
out.
He on our ass.
Did he shut the door?
No.
Because I'm about to go in.
No.
Yeah, he shut it. I'm going in that bitch up.
Oh, he did shut it.
All right, G.
I'm closing that motherfucker.
Don't.
Why he
Nah,
closed?
that would have been good.
Yeah, it said he closed the shit.
Yeah, it make it look like
Yeah,
you know,
it
we
makes
never went in.
noise.
Oh, that's a slam door?
Yeah.
I think this one of them doors is already open. Oh, no, it ain't. Bees, you did not have to run
Somebody
to
save
this
me.
corner,
Somebody
bro.
save me. Please, guys.
Somebody said, man, I come over here.
False. No.
I'm trying to juke him, bro.
He's- I
I'm
don't
trying
think
to
he's seen
juke him,
us,
bro.
bro.
I'm juking him.
I don't
All
think
right, all
he
right.
seen-
I'm about to pick this door.
Lord Jesus.
I'm picking this door, bro.
I'm gonna tackle the fuck out of him if he pull up. I got you.
Bro, you got a lockpick, Frost? I mean,
I got a
G's?
screwdriver. No, I don't got a lock.
Yeah. Oh, they put a battery up. Yeah. Basically, that's the lockpick. Oh, this dude put a trap on it, bro. Oh, he about to come out on us.
What?
He about to come out here, bro.
That hurt.
Look around, bro, because he might run out here since I hit that trap.
Bro. He's coming. He's coming.
We got
I'm
two
gonna
ways
get
on that
this
one door that we
the
already came
battery,
through.
bro. Knock his ass over, bro, because
I
I
got you, bro.
I need a lockpick.
How
Which
do I
door
drop
did
it?
y'all
How do I
open,
drop
left
it?
or right?
Oh, I'm about to go hit this door. Dang, I need the lockpick. Hit this door, please.
Stay calm.
Right here.
Maybe I can find something.
He's coming out with me. He's coming out.
Hit it, bro. As fast as you can.
Bro, please,
as you can,
please,
bro, but don't
bro,
break it.
please,
Don't break it, though.
open that fucking door, bro.
He ain't out. He ain't come out.
He
ain't
didn't?
come out. No.
Okay.
I'm glad this
You
shit
can't
ain't
break
come
it
with
if
no
you-
fucking
Oh, he
came
manual.
out. He came
He
out.
coming out now. Bees.
Bro,
Bees.
hurry
It's
up.
Vegas!
Bees.
Let's go! Nigga!
Bro.
Let's go!
Oh my God, bro. He was right there coming too. He was like, where they at?
I think I
didn't hear no
juked the
chainsaw
mess
the
out
whole
of him. I don't
time.
think he saw me go through the door. I think he
Look,
thought
she
I
said,
went back
shoot.
around.
Oh, she must have went on the whole other side. She's tweaking.
Let's go!
Yeah, no, that's it.
Nigga,
Creeping on her feet.
hit that bitch! Kick
There's
it!
the issue. There's gonna be another trap on the roof. I would have rather taken this route. You know, got rid of the trap over by the roof.
Oh, bitch! You got up too early.
Good. Trap.
Stay away.
Trap. I would have got rid of that first. Take the hit from the other one by the generator. Done. She a pretty lady. Bank. Right up in the middle. Back to square one again for the third time.
Damn, my body deteriorated.
I wouldn't have went back to the same exit. I would have tried to get to another one.